Okay, I guess this is legal warning, legal disclaimer, I don't know. That's coconut oil. If you're allergic to it, don't do this. This is citronella. If you're allergic to it, don't do this. This is just what I do for bug repellent, a form of natural bug repellent. Citronella is a good bug repellent. Take this, heat up the oil, put it in here. I usually go to the top of the vertical lines on the measurement area. A little bit less than the, I believe that's the 12-ounce mark there. But from there, I'll pour that in there, put that in the oven, let it sit in the oven at a very low temp, usually about 150, between 150 and 200, because I don't want to smoke the oil. And it's a topical, or it can be a form of a topical bug repellent, natural ingredients. Anyway, it's Privateer. I'll bring you back. Actually, I'm not done yet. I'll bring you back when I put it in and do all the other stuff. Okay, this idea just kind of hit me. Hear me out. Put it in here once, there's more than enough space so it can boil over. Or not, it won't boil over because, I mean, look how low that level is. But what I was thinking was, I don't have to, but I usually choose to filter out the leaf material. So, that being the case, that's small enough, those drain holes are small enough that it'll filter out a good bit of what's in there. And I'm using this to, smash it up a little bit more, bruise it a little bit more, release those natural citronella oils, which is what I want. The coconut oil is just to stretch it and thin it out, really. But yeah, I thought about that. Figured why not try it, because I've never tried it this way before, and I just recently got this pot. So yeah, that's going to be, I'll show you the finished product when I'm done. See ya. Okay, y'all, here's a pan, here's the stuff. I have the mason jar here sitting in the cast iron so I don't really mess with the countertops too much. I also, that's a piece of cheesecloth just kind of stuck down in there to get rid of the even smaller bits. But yeah, hopefully this doesn't crack this frickin' jar. Yeah, there's your million YouTube hits, right? Probably not, because it wouldn't be too exciting. But you're starting to see it now, the color variation in the coconut oil. And yep, this is the boring part, so haha, you gotta watch the boring part. It's all on. Oh, I didn't even really daggone it. There we go. Shoot, should have done that from the beginning. But anyway, as you see, well, it's kind of just dripping now. Anyway, filtered it out that way. I'll show you, put that in there. Turn that off. That's the leftovers. This is what the finished product kind of looks like. And there's kind of bits down at the bottom, very small ones. I don't know how well you can see it, but anyway, there we go. That's what the finished product looks like, at least for now. Once it cools down, obviously, it's going to look like cooled down congealed coconut oil with a greenish kind of tint to it, or a yellowish kind of tint to it. Is it? Okay, stuff's sliding around in the other room. Anyway, there you go. I just noticed this too. This is the cheesecloth that was in there. That's how good of a job. Those are very, very fine bits. That's how good of a job those pour spout drain holes are for the pasta. Anyway, thought that was kind of cool. All right. it got it to basically the level I wanted. The rest of the leaf material soaked it up, or soaked up that excess. This is what I use. If you're allergic to either one of these ingredients, coconut oil or citronella, don't do this. Yes, I'm going to say it a second time in this video. This is just what I do for myself, and it works. It's not 100%, but then again, neither is Deep Woods Off. If you want to, if you want to store this, I'm pretty sure while it's still hot, if you did it, just like you would any other jar, clean the top with vinegar, make sure your lid is, a fresh lid so it'll seal. I'm sure you could, but I don't. Anyway, this is Privateer. Y'all have a blessed day.